Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CRMD. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Now, I don't mean the rub salt in one's wounds or anything like that, but a very bearish day. Not only did the volume take quite a bit of a nosedive, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. But nonetheless, a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk about some areas of resistance. Actually, let's do levels of resistance first. Because really, in my mind, this is not the top priority. Top priority by far is just stabilizing and such. But in the event, I mean, this is, a penny stock, and these penny stocks can go all over the place. So who knows? Maybe there will be an epic bounce tomorrow. But in the event there is any sort of bounce, that first area of resistance is definitely going to be right here at 43 cents. And this is simply coming from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support, which you can see right here, acted as support. Right there, acted as support. When those levels of support are broken and closed below, which obviously occurred right there, they do tend to act as resistance. So in the event there is some sort of snapback reaction or anything, 43 cents, is definitely that initial area of resistance to keep an eye on. Now, what about areas of support? I mentioned, right now top priority, at least in my opinion, is stabilizing. So where are some areas where the price could potentially stabilize? And as it stands right now, there's kind of two key levels that stand out to me. And that first one I think might be where the price bounced from today, but that's just the naked eye test. So not quite. Actually, the price did drop down below it. And that's right here at 38 cents. You can see back here in September, and then also a few times back here in August, the price, hovered right around there. There were some lows there. Then there were some lows right there. And in both instances, a nice bounce happened. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish trading was this easy. But just because past couple of times, both there is a bounce, and then right here there is a bounce, I can't sit here and say, therefore, it is guaranteed where the price is bouncing back up. Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? It would not be shocking after a little bit of consolidation. However, myself nor anyone else can sit here and say that a bounce is for sure going to happen because, again, guarantees just don't exist. However, there is some history here of bounces occurring right around that 38-cent mark. In the event the price continues to push to the downside, the next key overall area of support after that would be down here around 33 cents, and that's coming from these lows down here around mid-August. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, like I said. Pretty interesting setup, especially if the price can pull back here some more. So keep an eye on these, potential areas of support where could find some stabilization and then bounce from there. But all in all, these are definitely also trades and charts that if you're not good at managing risk, if you're not good at managing stop losses and all that sort of stuff, definitely stay far away because there is quite a bit of fear and panic in this one as it stands right now. But the week is young. We'll see how things unfold. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.